I'm Rush Claxton, president of Justice Sand Company. We've been in business since 1960. We specialize in recycled aggregates. We also have a mining company. We specialize in heavy equipment, demolition with the recycled aggregates. We also do scrap metal. Our corporate office is here in Sweeney, Texas, just south of Houston. We're very close to the petrochemical plants. And we have a couple of other locations in Brazoria County and Matagorda County, and we're looking to expand into more heavy civil. So I got into this business because I've always had landscaping. I've always ran crews. I've always done some type of development, whether it's home building, foundations, pads, different sorts of construction. The opportunity came about to where I could purchase Justice Sand and become the president. And now we have 23 employees, and we are still doing land development, construction, heavy civil, and we supply, vertically integrate all of our materials to our projects for the end use. Yeah, the most important thing for me in keeping the business profitable is having the proper machinery to do the job. You know, and with Hyundai, we have a real good support system. That's the biggest deal, is the equipment and also the employees. But for the cost of the jobs and the expense that goes into it, we have to have the proper machinery. We started off back in 2019, we started buying some equipment. We had 2 excavators. They ran very smooth. We liked the support with Ned in Houston, our Houston office. Trey Beck has been really good to work with. The next machine we purchased was a 960 wheel loader. We really like the 960 wheel loader because it has built-in scales. It's very fuel efficient. It's very strong. And we have to have it loading trucks in a timely manner. We've since got into the recycled aggregates and the demo, very heavy. And we have to have the added attachments that Trey and Ned will have support on. We have a Ken Softener head on a 300 machine excavator. And whenever we pulverize the concrete, we take 100% of the concrete away from the rebar. Then that turns into the scrap business. We also use shears whenever we're doing demolition, for instance, on a school with state agencies and independent school districts. We need a heavy-duty shear, bigger machines, something that's gonna put us above the rest, so that we can scrap the material in a timely fashion. And a lot of times too, we're able to prepare our metal to get more volume inside of the roll-off boxes in the trucks. So with Ned in the Houston branch, Trey Beck, we have been very blessed because we have several pieces of equipment. And a lot of times my mechanic is busy on another job, especially when we do off-site crushing. We do off-site demo, we do subdivisions and all kinds of civil work. So it helps out a bunch because Daniel and Lloyd in the Houston office will get to me as fast as possible. And I mean, they don't miss a beat with the service. That helps me out in the field. Also, by purchasing a whole host of Hyundai equipment, we've kept a lot of the same fuel filters, air filters, and then they keep PMs on my equipment, and it's just an awesome service. So I love this position that I have as a president because first and foremost, it's not all about the money. It's about helping people live a better life, including myself. I really like the fact that we are a part of the Green Initiative and we're recycling products that are useless to other people, and then we can bring those back in. So we're working with a bunch of solar farms now. We're working with wind farms. We're working with the highway, and we're making a TxDOT spec product, not only with concrete, but with asphalt. And what happens is when we buy more equipment from Ned, we have to have more people to run the machine, so then we can create more jobs.